Hey guys, I'm gonna teach you how to make the Dominator 1 or 2. First, you need the red USB like this, and you want to go to your backpack and get the props and get the road barriers and paint them the red. Oh, that's my friend making a video about the Dominator 3. Hear that? Okay, right. Hear that? My friend is recording. He's a YouTuber too. To get famous like me. He's jealous of me because you know what I'm doing. Huh? Yeah. You know what I'm doing. You know what I'm doing. Moving. Dominator. You're gonna pick a number. 1 or 2. I will choose 1 because may bichi puso. Ahora ito va a pasar por episode 6, 7. What the fuck are you doing? What are you making, bro?
I'm making Dominator 3.
Oh, I'm making the Dominator 1.
Oh. We are Filipinos.
Sorry, we speak Filipino, not English. We're half English. Right, Isaac?
You.
Half English, half... season. So I'm gonna delete that.
Words. You will type.
He's making the wrong way. He put signs, not road barriers. Oh, nee. What the? Okay. I'm gonna take my car out. Okay, bye-bye. I'm gonna make another thing. I think he joined me, so let me meet him. Oh, I see him. Hi, Isaac. Isaac. Hey.
Hey, bro. Hey,
I'm making
bro, are you?
I'm making the Dominator 1.
I'm making the Dominator.
Dominator 3. I know. You didn't put the sign. Where is it?
Bro, I'm just doing process.
Bro, do it like me. Look at mine. Come here. I got the road barriers. Come to the side. Wait, I'm gonna fix this.
What the hell?
That's my road barriers.
Oh, mine really is completely useless.
Okay. Your car, is it?
Okay?
Why your car is useless? I'm gonna deploy it.
No.
Beep, 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 beep. Deployed. No, I missed it.
Look, guys.
Deploy Dominator 3. Deploy Dominator 1.
Now, this look beautiful. Or not?
Yeah, it's beautiful. I'm gonna look for the seats. Can get this. What the?
It's complete now, guys. That's for the tutorial. Hey, my friend.
What? Mine is not over
Whoa.
because I'm adding.
That's for the first tutorial. Tingnan ko na yung akin. Sana walang echo.
Scooters. Oh, this.
After that, you need to
Oh, the fuck?
Boy, okay ba yun? Dominator. Tama ba? Baka mali eh. Binaba ko lang.
Kailangan mo kasi ng road barriers.
Okay lang kahit sahil. Diba?
Kaya nga ginagawa ko eh.
Ano next tutorial? Nalagin ko. Yung pink code.
Ang anghel ng Panginoon ay nagbalita kay Santa Maria.
Okay. The Dominator won't. Oh, it's not over. I forgot the signs.
Bukod kang pinagpala sa kawang lahat at pinagpala naman ang ibalak ni Jesus. Narito ang alipin ng Panginoon.
Uy, walang may ng subscribers.
Panginoong Maria, napupulong ka ng Diyos. Ang Panginoong Diyos ay sumasayo. Bukod kang pinagpala sa babaeng lahat at pinagpala naman ang iyong anak na si Jesus.
Okay, it's done now.
Ang verbo ay nagkaroon sa
Let me test it. Come, it works. Undeploy.
Panginoong Maria, napupulong ka ng Diyos. Ang Panginoong Diyos ay sumasayo. Bukod kang pinagpala
It's
sa babaeng
alright.
lahat at pinagpala naman ang iyong anak na si Jesus.
Dominators. Transform. It means Dominator. Dominator. Soon, I'm gonna make the Dominator 2. I'm gonna deploy, guys. Okay, I'm going to deploy, guys. Bye.